Horizon Surgical Systems is developing a surgical robotics for ophthalmology. Our first indication is cataract surgery.
Horizon started as a research group at UCLA. We were performing the surgical robotics research at UCLA, and we were developing technology for understanding the landmark locations inside the images and then using it for guiding the surgical robot to perform the surgery.
In many procedures such as orthopedics and soft tissue, the precision and accuracy of a human is good enough, and to some extent you can compare orthopedic surgery to carpentry. Plus minus 1 millimeter is something that the bone can grow and feel eventually.
Precision is one of the key aspects of a robot. Given that we are performing eye surgery, each millimeter counts. So it's very important for us to be as precise as possible in order for us to perform any kind of eye surgery.
And we needed a way to measure the manufacturing and assembly variations that would happen from robot to robot. And the API system was able to give us those measurements with the accuracy we needed to be able to help the robot to finally achieve its potential.
There were two reasons why we went with API. The first reason was technical. We knew that you had a MATLAB toolbox interface. The other is the human relationships that we develop with your app.
The API team was always helpful in getting us what we needed.
It was very important for us to develop our own software in order for us to develop this framework, because we have a very unique system out here. The API SDK was very flexible for us so that we could develop this framework. It helped us create this software. We were able to achieve this goal of collecting all the measurements in a short period of time.
We managed to improve the accuracy by a factor that vary between 5 and 10. Above and beyond is another statement. Any system, robotic or not, where you need accuracy and precision, I would go with API.